Okay, I'm glad to join this annual important Polkadot Decoded. The next 20 minutes, I wish my speech will give you some help. Okay, this is my background. I'm a CEO and SubGame. I have a 4 year of the blockchain application managing experience, including decentralized and centralized exchange, DeFi, and blockchain application. Without a doubt, a blockchain hot topic for 2022 must be the Polkadot, which is a blockchain designed to support multiple chains within a single network. The goal is to allow 100 kind of the blockchain exist in isolation and have the little ability to communicate. Okay. So this following project, what I all engage. Okay. And today I want to share with you this topic, the GameFi with the metaverse. Okay. And metaverse, Web3 scenario. Everyday humanity, the progress deeper into the digital. We spend the 15% of our time online. Our social media profile concerned about more than our real life, right? And we can imagine life without the smartphone. Coronavirus pandemic has been accelerated this process. Currently sent to the developer of the blockchain technology as like the NFT and the Web3, humanity is ready for a new stage of the emerging in digital, emerging in the metaverse. And it would be the pivotal point in our civilization, because when we start, our virtual life will become more important than real life. And the benefit of using the blockchain technology for the metaverse, the blockchain is very crucial for metaverse for these reasons. So let me explain this reason. First one, security. Secure storage and transmission in the metaverse has become more complex because they store data in the exabyte or 1 billion gigabyte. Blockchain technology are crucial for decentralized environment because they allow all the users to manage their data independently without a party. The second one is the trust. Token self-storage device that communicate information, personal data, and authorization key in encryption, among others. It also boosts user trust in the ecosystem by restricting other parties for accessing crucial information. Yeah, and finally, integrate. Integrate with the global economy. Well, the cryptocurrency and digital assets are integral part of the blockchain. They also the technical analog of traditional money and carry out a metaverse transaction. And you can see this chart. Metaverse market is estimated to be US the 947.118 billion by the 2030. Many of these virtual worlds are supported by the blockchain technology, similar to that which power cryptocurrency and NFT, allow users to exchange the virtual asset. Because of the NFT boom and Mark Zuckerberg recent endorsement, metaverse market has also gotten a lot of attention in recent months. NFT worth USD 2.1 billion have been traded globally according to the non-fungible account. Okay. The next part, we will go on to the next topic, GameFi. Okay. So GameFi, you can see that just the prospect of blockchain game are immense since the whole blockchain based in game economy is still in this infancy and just we're beginning to develop its potential. You can see this the point. The first one, no dedicated launch pay for blockchain games. They allowed this interest to gain early asset to qualify again. Second part, no game hub to explore the standout blockchain game projects or valuable in-game items. Meanwhile, the number of the play-to-earn games continue to grow at the breakneck pace. And no central repository where the player can easily track layer earnings and manage layer in-game items. This is a highly inconvenient if a player participates in multiple games concurrently. No platform provides a comprehensive games finance tool, including the trading, funding, and scholarship opportunity. No margin ample owner of the game item to maximize the value of layered possessions. When land are not activity planned, the game owner are unable to delegate layer item to the guild for recruiting yield. By contrast, game who require lost item are unable to obtain land. Okay. And we have to talk about how to multimize, right? It's quite important. So the GameFi, portmanteau of the game and the finance run a blockchain network designed to merge the fun of the game with the financialization of the in-game economy. Distribute ledger technology is important not only to help player provide variable ownership of the asset, but also to structure marketplace for trading both inside and outside the game. In this new type of game, all objects are represented as token on blockchain networks. So each sword, armor, or plot of land can be owned by you and anyone else on the blockchain games. In other words, every gamer within the blockchain-based game become both a participant and the owner. So while game type deliver in the narrative, a recurring objective is the accumulation of resource. So playing game will allows you to accumulate more in-game currently, or represent as the fungible token, or in-game asset represent of the NFT. So what's the key here is one assets are you can trade that on the marketplace for other cryptocurrencies. Okay, like the fiat currency. Okay, and we can give you some example. The player guild as a community push to include a new gamer. One challenge is in upfront investment need to get started. Okay, the other one, GameFi aggregator. You function as a platform for a game-related content. The gamer can explore existing and upcoming game across the multiple blockchain network. Yeah, IGO Launchpad is designed to help facilitate the IGOS, which the fundraising event carry out via crowd sales. T blockchain, for example, the pioneer the blockchain game, the CryptoKitty. Yeah, to find out how the conject activity get on the network when transaction for games and NFT began to account for more than 20% of the traffic on the Ethereum in 2017. And the developer tools, automating away part of the developer process help the game studio get to market faster. Okay. And again, a mechanism. Yeah, we still to give the street type as the example. P2E is quite common, right? Yeah. So based on the P2E module, incentivize player to play and progress in the game. Yeah. Player have to keep playing and repeating a specific action inside the game to earn reward. And define component by combining the defined feature with a blockchain game. GameFi also allows us to earn the income through staking or other things. Okay. And the asset ownership, the game have been trading virtual item for years in traditional game platform like the Second Life. So however, this virtual economy will enclose and operate in a centralized manner. So the player will be not able to exchange their in-game assets with the real world economic value such as the fiat money. Yeah. Okay. And we will talk about the cross-chain technology. Yeah, in computing environments, some terms can be rather obscure and non-discrete. Now the case here, so a cross-chain bridge is exactly what it said. This is a mechanism to enable the transfer to asset back and forth between the two or more chains. This asset can be tokens, cryptocurrency, and other assets hosted on the chains. Okay. And you can see this structure. Yeah, a parachain is the proposed to build to review the barrier. Okay. And now just we have to describe ourselves, explain ourselves. Okay, SubGame. Okay, SubGame offers the module source code that allow developer to develop among the module source code. The multiple module game engine play the major role since the game engine help the game designer to bring the character of a blockchain game to life. Okay. And the subject is a framework for building a blockchain, an open source library of the Rust code that is maintained by parity. If you build out the blockchain based on the subject, it will allow to be the parachain connect by Polkadot. Okay, we announced the project developer schedule for the public and make sure to keep track of the developing progress. Until we release our module source code, we start to invite developers to join us and welcome community to use the blockchain application on the Polkadot. We build multiple applications to complete the technical architecture, like the game type module and payment module interface, commuting field, developer, data chain application, and so on. Yeah. But currently we focus on the game type of the module. Yeah. So the below you can see that. Yeah. Most of the are the blockchain game module. Okay. So what you can see that we have the comprehensive ecosystem in order to secure a SubGame chain and make sure the token market developing. And until now, we have to cooperate with one of the biggest game studio in Malaysia to develop the GameFi. We call it the 7 Plate. And we welcome to everybody to join the celebration to experience the GameFi on the cross-chain system. And in the next step, we still to put all the effort to develop all kind of the GameFi module on Polkadot system to fit any of the players. The more blockchain application to join it, the more complete the Polkadot system. I'm great and thanks for everyone listening.